Hey, it's Charisma. I'm back with another video, and this one should be a banger. So I just want to show you all some old nails that I started out with doing when I first, well, no, I'll just say these are about 3, 4 years old. So just know that I'm trying to grow over here. Okay, so I got these little books from Shein, or these little cases. This is a glow in the dark glitter set with some bears that glow in the dark. I just have to I wasn't using the Macart rhinestone glue when I was doing these, so I have to put the charm back on this hand. And then I did, of course, a lime glitter with the bears. And then I did a neon set, and it's just holding on with some double-sided tape. And then I did an all red set, and of course one of the charms came off. I'm going to glue it back on. And then in this bag I have some more of the glitter with no charms. I might wear those today. And then this one is empty. And this one I have, if you watch my channel, I have a old video, probably 3 years ago. I got the polish from Dollar Tree and did these nails. And I have worn them several times. And my first set of Kawaii charm nails, I was so excited to do those. And then I have some silver ones. And the fur balls came off. So I'm about to fix some of my old sets. Okay, so I need my hands to be free so I can work on these two sets, because I do like wearing them. And I usually just glue them on the method with the stickers. I just call that video glueless application for press-ons. And then I'm gonna cure that. I think I'm gonna put my rhinestone collection in the other book. So this one has a little magnet, 2 pieces. So this has, are they glued together? No. So I think I'm going to glue on the pinky. The fur ball. And then I should be missing the money sign. One second, I have to get the charm out the bag. So I'm just working on some sets that I've already created. Hopefully that'll cure. And then I'm gonna have to drill the inside out, because I used to super glue these on so much. Hopefully I'm gluing the right side of the magnet on properly, because if not, it won't stick anyway. And then the money sign was here. And I'm gonna throw that under the lamp. And that should be it for repair. Now a lot of the stones came off, but I'm gonna just put those in my rhinestone collection area. And I can use this bag for nails. I have to find my double-sided tape, or I can just put the bags in here. Let's see. I'm about to do some more nails. Oh. So I'm gonna put these in here. Yeah, I glued the wrong side of the magnet on. But you can't tell by looking at it. I can just tell when I try to apply it. I love a fur ball, but when I go to Shein, I don't see them anymore. I don't see them. Which is unfortunate, because I would have bought more had I known you wouldn't be able to find them. Yeah, so this is how I display. Oh, I could have glued this back on too, but that's okay. This was like the first set that I pierced. A little nail history. So I'll put that back there. Uh-oh. I always want to wipe the clay off. And I'm about to put these on. But yeah, stay tuned. Watch me grow and get better. I promise I'm going to get better. Practice makes perfect, and we all know that. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Charisma Banks signing off. Smooches. See you next time.